What you done, Curtis?
Well, I reckon we're getting ready to pull this cannon out of here, and with the equipment that we have, this is going to be the safest and the easiest way to do it. Got the loader bucket under the recoil mechanism. We're going to chain it up and pull it out of this corner, and we're going to use the loader, pick it up a little higher so we can put our new wheels on there. I think it should go pretty smooth. There might be some trial and error of where to chain it around the axle here, so we'll just have to play around with it a little bit, but I don't think it's going to be too bad. Let's give her a shot. I wonder if I can just go through here. That might work pretty good.
All right, well.
I remember trying not to get my feet underneath this stuff.
Well, I was going to use your shoe to
What?
I was going to use your shoe to cushion it as we drug it.
No. Safety is number one here at Armed Forces Museum of Greenville.
Well, you got steel-toe boots on, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, well, there you go.
You seen that Mythbusters episode where they tested steel-toe boots? I need to shorten my chain up a little. Come in. Pick your bucket up a little. There. Try it. Go ahead. About to come off.
See that? Move that shield out of the way. I'm going to set it down. Move that shield out of the way.
up. Your backhoe bucket. You want me to get on the other side of that piece there?
Cope Curtis, he got the wheel there. We got a little difficulty. There's a lock ring on there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. It's right there. It wouldn't go back on there, but we finally got it back on. Curtis is going to put this wheel on now. We'll show you how to put it all back together.
About there.
Yep, that should be about far enough. And then we got these little snap rings here that go on in place. There's a little spring-loaded pin down inside there. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it slips right down. Might have to get a hammer.
A little tappy tool action.
Yep.
You got her.
We got her locked on. And then the wheel hub. Alright, tighten her up.
We're doing this, and we got a few minutes. We want to remind y'all to hit that subscribe button and the like button. It helps us out. That way we can see how much attention the page is getting. And if we need to change anything, we would appreciate it if you did that. Okay, so at this point, would we go a little tighter?
A little bit.
Close that spring clamp.
Well, you tighten it up.
Okay. Well, that's tight.
Back it off just a hair. Okay, now close your spring clamp. Now the nut on the back, you back tighten it against the cap until it locks.
Try and go forward on this one.
That's why you need a second spanner wrench.
Yep, and you need two.
Tell you what, back this one off.
All right. Spin the other one forward a little.
Back it off so that you're tightening it. So we'll get these two separated. They may already be locked.
They might be. They're kind of acting like they are. Oh, there they go.
Okay, hold on. I can't. I don't think that pin's locked into that other one.
No, it's not. It's up. Need to play with it a little.
I'm gonna put you guys down right over here for a minute.
Oh, well, never mind. No, it didn't. Thought it did. Pushing on it.
Yep. Don't tighten it. The other way. I can't tell if it locked or not.
You can see it. Let me look. Let me look. No, it did not. Doesn't look like it did. I wonder if that...
Are you sure?
Huh?
It's locked.
Is it? Okay.
It's locked.
It looked like it was out. I think we'll call that locked then.
And that's how you put a Cannon wheel on. What do you say, bud? That's the boss right there. He's supervising everything we're doing here.
The delegator.
All right, we'll get set up and get the other one put on.
Should go a little smoother.
All right, you've already seen us put one of these on. So I'm gonna do this next one in time lapse. Let's get her done. Ah, there's the boss. He's been in here inspecting our work again. There you go. The wheels are back on. She's ready to go again. It started raining out here. Nice little storm blowing in. Hopefully it won't affect the show this weekend. Does it pass inspection? He says it passes.
I think it passes.
All right,
I think it looks sharp.
there you go. On to the next project.